everyone. Are you an English learner? Do you want to speak very good English like me, like a native speaker? If you want, then you are at the right place. You will definitely learn because you are looking for spoken English classes who can motivate you. I am here for you. So please watch this video till the end and I will be telling all about this language. And this video is going to be about just start learning English now. Don't procrastinate. Don't say that I will start learning spoken English from tomorrow. And believe me guys, tomorrow will never come. I am facing this same struggle with my IAS preparation. I am procrastinating day by day and I am overburdened. I am feeling very stressed. I am really stressful. I am living my life stressful. So I am just advising you that you don't have to procrastinate because procrastination will end your motivation. Procrastination will end your motivation all the time. You will not be able to do anything. Please start learning. If you really want to speak very good English, if you really are if you are thinking that I need to learn this language, so please start learning from now. And the question is how to learn spoken English. There are only 5 things that you have to be focused on. Only on the 5 things that everybody has to be focused. I'm going to tell those 5 things. Number 1, that is listening practice. I already have told in my all videos that listening is very important. Without listening, it will take too much time to speak very good English. Believe me guys, listening, just start listening. If you are just thinking about this language that I have to learn, I need to learn, so just start listening. Only in starting you don't need to speak, you don't need to write, you don't need to read. Only listening will help you to move on your journey. Listening will help you to go on in your journey. It will give you the switch to start your journey from now. So just start listening. Only all the things only in English language. It will motivate you. It will inspire you. Okay, so this was the tip number 1st. Tip number 2nd, that is speaking. Start speaking as much as possible, as much as you can speak. Just start speaking. Don't worry about the people, don't worry about the mistakes, because mistakes will happen. Mistakes are the part of your journey. If you are just if you are just worry about the mistakes that if I will speak in front of the people, they will make fun of me. So please, this is the part of your journey. This is the part of everyone's journey who is just about to learn this language. Literally speaking guys, in this journey I also faced many kinds of bad comments, hate comments, and many difficulties. Like I had to learn this language, but I did not have a classroom where I can go and there will be a teacher who will teach me in English language. I did not have that surrounding with me, but I did not cease fire. I just had to learn this language come what may. By all means I had to learn because it is really important for me to learn this language. So I started learning. I started listening on the content only in English language. It helped me a lot, and I started speaking in front of the public. I did not care about the people, what are they saying actually, because they used to say many kinds of bad things to me when I used to speak in front of them. They used to say, stop, don't talk here, don't talk here, many things. I just forgot everything. I just had to learn, so I am able to speak very good English. Only because of this reason I am speaking in front of you. I am telling you the truth, the reality. So this was the tip number 2. Tip number 3, that is start writing your diary. If you did not buy a diary, just go to the market and buy a diary. It will be around 100 rupees almost, and buy, and it will the 100 rupees will save you lots of time, will give you a kind of inspiration to continue your journey, because in your diary you have to write everyday life, whatever the things, whatever the task are you doing, actually whatever the task are you guys are doing, you just have to note down, you just have to take down all the things in your diary before going to the bed. I emphasized on this, I mean, tip that you definitely have to write diary, whether you are learning English or not, just write. It will help you to be confident in your life. It will help you to continue your journey, okay, and it will make you relax. It will make you relax, because we are just overthinking all the time. And if you're writing something, whatever the thoughts are coming to your mind, if you are writing those thoughts, it will it will sort it out. It will sort it out. It will sort it out, definitely, guys. Okay, so this was the tip number 3, guys. Tip number 4, that is reading. Reading is really important, because whatever the things we are listening, we are reading, it is fixed. It is fixed in our mind. After when the time passes, and it, believe me guys, it will give you, the mind will give you the words when you are talking in front of anyone, because you already have practiced a lot, practiced listening very much. So it will give you the words, the sentences automatically. You will be able to think in English directly. You will not need to translate. Believe me guys, if you are able to do these 3 to 4 steps in your life, just start. Give at least 1 or 2 hours every day for listening practice. Whatever the things you used to watch in Hindi language, there are many very good, very interesting things to watch in English language. You can just watch everything in English language. Okay, it is an alternative. There are many videos, there are many alternative content where you can go and watch and enjoy. Like there are movies, there are podcasts, there are web series, and there are English blogs where you can enjoy. With that enjoyment, you can learn spoken English easily. Okay, so make your journey enjoyable. Don't try to make it boring, otherwise you will give up. After sometimes you will give up. Okay, so this was the tip number 4, guys. The final tip, that is be consistent in your learning journey. Be consistent in your learning journey, because without consistency it will take too much time. It will demotivate. At the end, you will be demotivated finally if you are not consistent in your life. You will have to be consistent, because consistency is the only thing that will make you successful in your life. That will give you the wings to fly. That will give you the wings to fly. Consistency is the only thing by which you will be able to achieve your goals. You will be able to achieve your task, whether it is for 1 day or 1 week or 1 month or 1 year. You will be able to complete. Consistent. I'm not talking about you just have to give 6 to 7 hours per day. I'm just talking about just give 2 hours, but every day, guys. Consistency is about, you just have to be consistent all the days in the year. If you are giving at least 2 hours per day, it will give you a kind of thing by which you will be able to speak very good English. You will learn spoken English easily. So these are the 5 things. This video was about just start learning now, because procrastination will kill your motivation, and if you don't have motivation, you will not be able to continue your journey. So start learning English. You will definitely learn. Just believe in yourself, because if you are believing in yourself, you will be able to continue all the times. You will be motivated. You will feel some kind of inspiration. Okay, so just start learning and you will learn. Okay, so in this video I just wanted to talk about only this was my topic, and I already have uploaded so many videos. I am just giving you a kind of, tips. I am giving you tips and techniques, the steps that may help you guys. So please learn spoken English. It will help you a lot. Okay, have a good day. We will meet in another video. Bye bye.